Welcome to this channel. So in our last video we showed you how can you add slideshow on your Shopify web store. So in this video we will show you how can you add products. So before going to that we should click save to our this setting, and in the exit option we shall click the right button of our mouse and we should open the page in another tab so that our this setting will be unchanged and we can see what changes happening to our this page. So this page is loading and we in here we will show our changes. So we should click the product and we should click the add product right here. So after clicking add product we should write the title of our product. For example, we are typing here hoodie. Okay, we're typing here hoodie, and in the description we shall mention the size, quality, and the specification of our product. And if we want to create the description with the help of AI, we can select the keyword and paste this to here, and if we generate the description, our new description will be created, and if we click keep, this description will be added to our product. Okay, so after that we will add image of our product. So for that reason we should click the upload new, and from here we will click the image that we want to add to our product. Okay, we are clicking this image and click open. So after loading some time the image will be shown to our page, and we will click right option and we will go down, and from this we will set the price of our product. Okay, so for example we are setting price $100, and compared price means strike through price. So the price we write here, it will be show the previous price and it will strike through the prices, and our current price will be shown at $100. Okay, our previous price will be shown $120. So in inventory tag we will select the inventory, how much product we have, and if we want to set the weight of our product we can set here to different unit like gram, kg, etc. Okay, so if we go down we can select the color of our product. We can add multiple color of our product from here, so the customer when order our product they will see the color of our product, and after that we will click the save button. Okay, so after loading some time, if we go to the product page again, our product will show to this page and we are clicking product. So see that hoodie is added to our product option. Okay, so in this way we will add some multiple product. Okay, we'll add some multiple product. From here we are adding jeans. So previously we added description with the help of AI, so again we will take help from our AI and we will set the description of our product. So from here just click generate, our new description is ready. So just keep this description, and from here just upload new images. So now we are adding our jeans, and we are setting the price of our product. So we are setting a price 150. So this price is just for example, and compared price is 200. This 200 will be strike through, and we should select the inventory that we have to our stock, and from here we will set the color of our product. So just set the color of the product. Okay, so again check everything and click save. So after some time it will load and we can see that our another product is added, and this product is also active, so our jeans is added to our product list. Okay, similarly if we refresh our previous live page, we can see the price has been changed. Okay, the price of our product has been changed and new product is added to our new page. So from here we will set the inventory, then the stock that we have to our inventory. Okay, we will click save and we will go to product. So similarly you can see that this is your stock, so we have not selected the stock, for that reason is showing the sold out. Okay, we should select the stock that we have. So our new product is added to our previous page. So similarly we have added the multiple products. See the inventory we have selected and we are adding another product that is called t-shirt. So this is the final product we will add to our store. Just upload image and select the image and we are setting the price here. Our price is $50 and our compared price is $60, and we will select the quantity that we have in our stock and we will add the color of our product. Okay, we are adding the color of the product. So we are clicking save, and if we go to the product option, we are seeing that our product is shown to our previous page. Okay, our previous live page is showing our product, and if we refresh it again, you can see that our product is shown in our old page. Our all product is showing to our old home page. Okay, if we select the product, see that this is a premium page. Okay, the customer can buy from this site now. So in this way you can create a Shopify store and sell your product and add product whichever you want. So hope that you understand this. And if we click the next page, next slide page, and if we click the shop now option, so we are clicking the shop now. From here if we click the shop now, our all product will be shown to the customer. Okay, so this is our page. So customer will see all of the product that we have added to our stock, and this is our strike to product, you are seeing that, and this is our main price. This is compared price. Okay, strike price is called compared price. So we are seeing our compared price is 130 and main price is $120. Okay, so in this way we can add product to our store. So thank you.